Knife gun stick, everybody. I'm on my way to make a video and I see this on the side of the road. And then most people would just be like, that's nature. Well, what's that? Looks like structure. Looks like this used to be a little bridge here. That connects to here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nature is structure. What a masterpiece this is, huh? Look at this. That's melted. That's what we're looking at here. Ancient structure melted. All these, look how melted that is. That's not erosion. That's heat melting. Why is it dripping down like that? Erosion melts? I don't think so. How long this thing is. What's that doing there? Look at this. Looks like a bridge to me. T for that's totally melted. Goes. See that? Connects to that. Blocks stacked on each other. Look at that.